Hello friends, my name is Anissa Putriwardhani from kelas K1 Law. Here I will tell a case about the social minister Juliari Batubara, who was caught in a corruption case of social assistance funds. Before we go to the explanation, here is a little snip about the Juliari case.
Selamat pagi saudara, menyaksikan Breaking News Kompas TV bersama saya Andre Sinaga. Menteri Sosial Juliari P. Batubara datang ke gedung KPK sekitar pukul 3 dini hari. Juliari datang dengan dikawal oleh petugas dari KPK dan kepolisian bersama sejumlah staf dari Kemensos. Dengan pengawalan yang ketat dari petugas KKP dan kepolisian Menteri Sosial, Julia P. Batubara datang langsung dan naik ke lantai 2 gedung KPK. Juliari tidak mengeluarkan sepatah kata pun kepada jurnalis yang menunggu di gedung KPK. Juliari datang dengan berjalan kaki tanpa menaiki kendaraan. Diduga Juliari bersama petugas dari KPK turun di jalan raya dan berjalan kaki menuju gedung KPK.
Minister Juliari Batubara himself was named a suspect by the KPK in the alleged corruption case of social funding assistance for the COVID-19 pandemic. The suspect determination was a follow-up to the arrest operation carried out by the KPK on Friday, 4 December 2020 in the early hour of the morning. This case with the procurement of basic food packets as social assistance for handling COVID-19 with a total of 272 contracts worth 6 trillion, which were carried out over 2 periods. Juliari appointment MGS and AW to work on the project. MGS and AW then set a price 10,000 per food package from the unit value of the social assistance package 300,000. In the implementation of the first period of the basic food assistance package, it is suspected that a fee of approximately 12 billion was received. From the second period of the implementation of the basic food assistance package, fee money was collected around 8 billion during October until December 2020. Meanwhile, Juliari was suspected of violating Article 12 letter A or Article 12 letter B or Article 11 of the Corruption Eradication Law or UU. Junction Article 55 Paragraph 1 first of the Criminal Code. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Have watched this video until the end. I hope this video can increase your knowledge. Okay, see you later.